front of us. The question is supported with a figure. Let us understand the question with the help of this figure. It says that a solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220 cm and base diameter 24 cm. We have a bigger cylinder. They have provided us with the dimensions of the bigger cylinder, wherein the height of the bigger cylinder is given as 220 cm and the base diameter of it is given as 24 cm. Now this bigger cylinder is surmounted with another smaller cylinder, and they have provided us with the dimensions of the solid cylinder, wherein the height is given as 60 cm and the radius of it is given as 8 cm. It says that find the mass of the pole given that 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. It says that 1 centimeter cube of iron approximately has 8 gram mass. Now my dear students, what does 1 centimeter cube represent? Yes, it is volume. Now it says that 1 centimeter cube has 8 gram mass. So what does 8 gram represent? Yes, it is a weight. Now let us understand this scenario. It says that find the mass of the pole. It simply means that we have to find the total weight of this pole. So if we want to find the total weight of this pole, we should find the volume of the pole. If we have the volume of the pole, we can get the total weight of the pole. Now let us understand how to get the volume of the pole. We can say that volume of the pole is equal to the volume of the bigger cylinder plus volume of the smaller cylinder. Now what is the formula to find volume of a cylinder? Yes, it is pi r square h. We can say that volume of bigger cylinder is pi r1 square h1, and we can say that volume of smaller cylinder is pi r2 square h2. Now let us focus on the given information. It says that the bigger cylinder has a height of 220 cm. So we can say that we have h1. It says that the smaller cylinder has a height of 60 cm. So we can say that we have h2. It also says that the radius of the smaller cylinder is 8 cm. So we can say that we have or R2. So the only thing which we need to find to get the volume of the pole is R1. Look, we have been given the diameter of the bigger cylinder. So if we have the diameter of the bigger cylinder, we can find its radius. We can say that radius R1 is equal to diameter upon 2. So it is equal to 24 upon 2. 24 upon 2 is equal to 12 centimeters. So now we can say that we have R1. If we have R1, H1, R2, H2, let us now focus on the calculations. First, we will calculate the volume of the bigger cylinder, and the formula is pi R1 square H1. Now let us substitute the values. In place of pi, we will write pi. We have R1 equal to 12, so we will write into 12 into 12. And the height, that is H1, is given as 220. Now let us do the further calculations. Pi will remain at it is. Now 12 into 12 is 144 into we have 220. Now 144 into 220 into pi is equal to 31680 pi. So we can say therefore the volume of the bigger cylinder is 31680 pi centimeter cube. Now let's calculate volume of the smaller cylinder. The formula is pi r2 square h2. Let us substitute the values. In place of pi, we'll write pi. Now we know that r2, that is the radius of the smaller cylinder, is 8. So we'll write into 8 into 8. The height of the smaller cylinder, yes, it is 60. Now again pi will remain as it is. 8 into 8 is 64 into we have 60. Now pi into 64 into 60 is 3840 pi. So we can say therefore the volume of the smaller cylinder is 3840 pi centimeter cube. Now if we have the volume of the bigger cylinder and if we have the volume of the smaller cylinder, let us calculate the volume of the pole. We can say that volume of the pole is equal to V1 plus V2, where V1 represents the volume of the bigger cylinder and it is 31680 pi. V2 represents the volume of the smaller cylinder and it is 3840 pi. If we'll add 31680 pi and 3840 pi, the answer is 35520 pi. So we can say therefore the volume of the pole is 35520 pi centimeter cube. But remember, we was asked to find the mass of the pole. Remember this table. We understood that if we want to find the weight of the pole or the mass of the pole, we need to get the volume of the pole. And observe, we have the volume of the pole. So we can say that if the mass of 1 centimeter cube of iron is 8 gram, we can calculate the mass of the pole by multiplying the volume of the pole with 8 grams. We'll write mass of 1 centimeter cube iron is equal to 8 gram. So therefore, the mass of the entire pole is equal to the volume of the pole into 8, and the volume of the pole is 35520 pi. Now, if we multiply 35520 pi, before that we can substitute the value of pi. Pi is given as 3.14. If we multiply 8 into 35520 into 3.14, the answer is 89262.4 grams. Now, we can convert grams into kilograms. For that, we'll divide this with 1000. So, the answer we can say it is equal to 892.2624 kg. Therefore, we can say the mass or the weight of the pole is 892.26 kg. A very simple sum, at the same time very beautiful one. Thank you.